Sometimes we find EPANET models that aren't properly geocoded, and that causes a problem when you're trying to put it on a base map like this. So we created this tool to help you place those models on a base map so you can use them in EPANET.js or other types of modeling tools as well. To use it, all you need to do is drag your network in here. And then we can, center the map to where we want to be, or you can search. We can place it on the center here. And you can see we've placed the network over the top of the base map here, but obviously it's in the wrong spot. So we've got a couple tools that we can use. We can use these arrows to move the network around. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can rotate it as well. And while you can use those tools, you can unlock the model and just drag it around and try to find that right place for it. It will be somewhere around here roughly. You can sort of see that it sort of matches in, right? So now we're getting closer. You can sort of have a look and say, okay, how far away we from it, right? So you can now do some tweaks, try to find that right spot. As you zoom in, these controls will get tighter and tighter to help you hone in on that right value, right? So you can use this and you can sort of find roughly where it should be. The second option you've got is you can use these ground control points to help put known locations into where they are. So for example, we know there's a tank here and this is the tank symbol. We can do add control point, select here and select, and it will move. And if your network is properly scaled, this may cause the network to come directly into the right place you want. If the scale is slightly off, you can use a second ground control point, and that will stretch and rotate the model to make it match. So I believe there is a second tank somewhere around here. And we can now add a second control point. I believe it's this one, and place it here. And you'll see that those 2 points will come into place and everything else will scale around it. So hopefully this tool is another helpful one to get your models into EPANET.js or getting them onto GIS. You can access it as part of our EPANET utility library here. Give it a try and let us know what you think.